Disinfection and cleaning of instruments. Hygienic reprocessing of dental instruments is essential to prevent infections in patients. You must carry out the recommended measures according to the manufacturer instructions, hygiene requirements, and occupational safety directives. Statutory guidelines, standards, and directives on reprocessing must be adhered to. Please wear personal protective equipment and observe the occupational safety directives. Manual cleaning. The cleaning solution must be dosed in accordance with the manufacturer information. Due to the potential risk of injury and infection, we recommend using a disinfecting cleaning agent such as ID 215 enzymatic instrument cleaner from Durr Dental for manual cleaning. Cleaning lotions must be freshly made every day and replaced immediately in case of visible contamination. Safe reprocessing of instruments can only be achieved with clean medical devices. Hence, the cleaning is especially significant in the entire reprocessing procedure. The objective of these measures is residue-free cleaning to avoid impairing the following disinfection and sterilization steps as a result of organic residues. To ensure complete wetting of the inside and outside surfaces of the instruments, open the instruments and immerse them completely in the cleaning solution without air bubbles. The application of ultrasound can increase the cleaning performance. Manual disinfection. The cleaning and subsequent intermediate rinsing with water is followed by manual disinfection, e.g. with ID 213 in the Hygo box from Durr Dental. Following the operating instructions, especially the concentration and exposure times, is the prerequisite for effective disinfection. Always use an appropriate dosing feeder for dosing. To ensure complete wetting of the inside and outside surfaces of the instruments, open the instruments and immerse them completely in the disinfection solution without air bubbles. The further instrument reprocessing steps follow the expiry of the exposure time. Always read the manufacturer information on the label and in the product information before use. Note the exposure times of the cleaning agent.